Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. My husband asked me to make banana cake because Big Back needs a snack. First you're going to get about 3 bananas and then give them a nice mash. With this economy, who can fucking buy a coffee nut muffin anymore? Jeez. After that we're going to add in 1/2 cup of brown coconut sugar. Because you know I got to cut down on the sugar. And then another 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Next we're going to add 2 eggs. The secret to a good banana bread is patience. But really, honestly, who has time to have foreplay with carbs? So just mix this darn thing up. You guys have to try to make this banana bread. It is so moist that it should come with a rated R warning. Okay, yeah, I know this batter looks a little bit runny and brown, like you made a terrible decision and overate on Taco Tuesday, but it's good. Next, you'll want to add in a cup of oat flour and 1/2 cup of white flour. Next, you're going to add a teaspoon of cinnamon because we are 2 spicy bitches. Now we're going to add in a teaspoon of baking soda. Guys, you have to bake this because I guarantee someone's going to want to butter your loaf. Add in a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of baking powder goes in. If you want more laughs, check out the video description. So now, because we're not so young, Big Back needs a tablespoon of flaxseed to keep him regular, because when you get older you have shit problems. Now stir this batter steady and slowly, just like floor play. You gotta take it nice and slow and zhuzh it nicely. Okay, so I added 1/2 cup of water instead of milk so we can pretend it's low calorie and not feel guilty when we're eating it. Now you're gonna preheat your oven to 350. Now give your pan a spray with some baking spray because you always need a little lube sometimes. Makes it easier. Once it's all sprayed, you're going to pour your batter into your pan. And you're going to bake this for about 30 to 40 minutes until a toothpick comes up clean. This cake can't melt so good, but I think I'm going to need some alone time with it. Don't judge me. This cake looks so good not to be able to sneak a piece, so I'm taking a piece and I'm going to call it Baker's Tax. So subscribe, better do it right now. Like this video, leave us a comment, and the 2 crazy cannolis will be back and share more recipes. Didn't you hear me the first time? Like, share, subscribe. Do it now.